What's happening, party people? I am still in Oregon. Gonna be here a couple days, it seems like. I'm ordering more parts today to fix my new acquired ride. Yesterday was a nice, comfortable day. Didn't get to do any work on the car because I'm missing parts, but I got to do a little sightseeing, had a little vehicle incident, got to meet a couple very interesting people, and had a great, relaxing day. Nice fresh air. The temperature was close to 60 degrees. Hey, it was fabulous. So today we're going to get to do a little work on the car and uh, probably relax a little more, getting these parts ordered for overnight delivery, and we'll pick up, do all we can today, and finish what we can tomorrow, and then head back up to the Seattle, Washington area. I do have enough people that contact me to justify going back, so I'm going back there. Get your parts. If you are ordering parts from a website, try to be careful not to get tricked like I did. And hey, we'll get together, try to get you taken care of, and have as much fun as we can. Learn from one another, sharing with each other, and just enjoying life. Oh, before I sign off this intro, I don't know, I need to check. I got about 85 Patreon members. I mentioned yesterday that I'm putting some of the videos of the new acquired ride in that Patreon site. I'm getting like 6 views per video in there. So if you are a Patreon contributor, go over there and check those videos out, man. I think you'll like it. And hey, that's the least I could do until I make those things totally public. So don't forget to check those out if you're in the Patreon site. Let me go ahead and turn you over to the rest of the day's video clips, and hope to see you soon. Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you could click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Kicking off the Tinker Day at the Volvo dealership. Man, look at this pearl white paint. Got the rooftop box. Nice big wheels. Picking up parts for somebody's car, and it looks like it's about to stop raining, so I could go start working on it. It's a B5, not a T5, a B5. Isn't that special? I have the parts. Pretty much got rained out today. You can see this is drier than I expected. If I'd have known this place was going to be this dry, I might have made it over here and done this job, but it's raining all day. I probably got soaked. So anyway, I need to do a timing belt water pump on this car. We'll do that tomorrow. We're going to change the coolant in it because it's probably never been replaced. Right now I'm going to change the mass airflow sensor because we got a code for that. Yes, people, I brought my Volvo system tester with me, so I can do what we need to do on the P80s. We're going to scan codes here. I'm pretty sure, I don't know. This might be a 4 car. I think so. I'm also going to clear the service light. I think the service light's coming on. Two long-term trim MAF sensor. So let's clear these codes. I replaced the mass airflow sensor, and that should put us in a good place. Alright, so let me go back to service and clear the oil change reminder. Yes. Alright, that should be done. Alright, so I'm going to cut this off. not put no power going to it, and we'll start this car up. See if we can get this thing acting right. Look at that, man. 54,000 miles on this car. That is awesome. Fired right up. We got an ABS light. Let me scan the ABS system. It's got a ECC, which is nice. No heated seats yet. I don't know if we can get heated seats in this car. This car's got such lovely seats. I doubt she'll replace it to get heated seats, man. These seats are beautiful. So this car would idle for a few minutes. The idle will start bouncing around, and then it would stall, do different stuff like that. So we're just going to sit here and let it idle until it warms up. Then we'll shut it off and start it and let it idle again. I'm not going to drive it, as you know, don't drive people's car if I don't have to. And I think she'll be good to go. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.